Overview para sa taong 2026, the Year of the Fire Horse. Ramdam nyo rin ba ang bilis ng panahon at petsa? Parang kailan lang ang New Year at ngayon ay lagpas kalahati na ng taon, which means that we are nearing the year end once more at hudyat na naman ng pag-welcome ng bagong taon. Datapwat ang Year of the Wood Snake ay hanggang February 16, 2026 pa. Nakasanayan na rin natin na i-welcome ang bagong taon sa January 1. For today's video ay papasadahan natin ng pag-aaral kung ano ang mga dalang promise ng taong 2026, the Year of the Fire Horse. Anong mga zodiac na naman kaya ang mangingibabaw ang swerte at anong mga elements ang makakatulong sa atin to navigate the year well. Ang mga zodiac animal na best match para sa horse ay ang tiger, rabbit at sheep. The Year of the Fire Horse in 2026 brings intense energy and transformation, kung kaya't kailangang mas pagtuunan natin ng pansin ang mga tamang elements at tamang direksyon to navigate the energies of 2026 with balance and harmony. Narito ang top feng shui tips to ensure a prosperous and balanced year 2026. Number 1. Activate the Southeast for prosperity. For year 2026, ang Southeast sector ng inyong tahanan o negosyo ang siyang kaugnay sa kaperahan at pag-unlad. Activate your financial sector by doing the following. Una, add wooden furniture or plants like money tree na isa sa pinakamagandang panghatak ng kayamanan o pera. Number 2, maglagay ng kulay green or purple sa parting ito ng bahay. Pwedeng accent wall painting or kahit kortina upang di na kailangan gumastos pa ng malaki. And last, kung meron kang mga crystal kagaya ng citrine or pyrite, ay mainam din itong ilagay dito. Feng Shui tip number 2. Neutralize the annual afflictions. Kada taon ay may specific directions na may dalang negatibo para sa atin. From our peace, health, and relationships at maaaring magdulot rin ng bad luck at misfortunes. So, it is very important for us to know kung saan ang direksyon na ito for a specific year. For the Year of the Fire Horse 2026, ito ang mga direksyon na kailangan ng masinsinang pansin at balanse. Una, the South direction. Ito ang mismong Grand Duke o Tao Sui direction para sa taong 2026. Directly confronting Tao Sui may cause obstacles and so avoid disturbing this area. Upang maiwasan ang masamang epekto at energy ng South, it is advised to place something red lanterns o Tao Sui talisman to protect and shield you from its harm. Next ay ang East. Ang silangan naman ay sinasabing may dalang illness o misfortune sa taong 2026. Maglagay ng metal bell, metal cure, or any brass object to disperse the bad energy. Number 3, Feng Shui for health and balance. Isa sa pinakapinagdarasal natin ay ang magkaroon ng good health at long life for each coming year. Health is wealth, ika nga. Maintaining good health in the Year of the Fire Horse is crucial as this year's fire energy can easily burn out if you're not careful. So, upang maiwasan ito, maglagay ng halaman o wood elements sa East sector to balance and nourish your health. Pangalawa, ang kulay blue at mga green tones ay mabisang pampakalma at pangbalanse sa fire energy. Number 4, control the negative energy in the north. Ang north sector ay ang inyong water element, which clashes with the fire horse energy. Kung kaya't, kailangan mong maging maingat sa direksyong ito and avoid overactivating this area as it can create turbulent energy. Wag na wag kang maglagay ng water features like fountain, aquarium o kahit salamin sa inyong north sa taong 2026. Kung importante ang north para sa'yo. Balance the excess water with the element earth by placing ceramic or stone objects. Ang metal colors like white and silver or metal elements like wind chimes or coins can counteract the water element. Tip number 5. Enhance the center for health and harmony. The center sector of your home represents health and overall well-being. In 2026, napaka-importante na mabigyan natin ng focus ang center ng ating bahay, ensuring stability in the middle of your space to counteract the restless energy of the horse. Decorate the center with earth tones like beige, light brown, or cream. These colors will ground the energy. Maglagay ng healthy plants. Add some crystals or geometric sculptures in this area to enhance stability and balance. Panatilihing malinis, clear at walang kalat o anumang harang ang pinakasentro ng inyong tahanan to allow positive energy to circulate freely throughout your home. Nasa July pa lamang tayo ngayon at marami pa tayong panahon to check, study, and be guided for our year 2026. But above all, the pampaswerte, our connection with God and our good relationships with all the people around will really make good vibes and outcome. Piliin nating laging maging mabuti upang maging mas magaan ang ating buhay. For more pampaswerte and feng shui tips, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for always watching.